Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Jeremy Solin Sumilalaw. I am 36 years old and I come from Maltana, Tampakan, South Cotabato, Philippines. I am a single parent. I have two sons, ages 14 years old and 17 years old. My highest educational are high school graduate in ALS. I work as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 5 years and 3 months, from February 2016 to May 2021. I serve a one couple and two children, 4 years old boy and 7 years old boy. My duties there are taking care of the children, cooking, cleaning, ironing, doing laundry, and marketing. And also I work in Kuwait as a domestic helper for 2 years and 6 months, from October 2022 to April 2025. I serve a one couple and three children, ages 17 years old, 15, and 10 years old. My duties there are cooking, cleaning the house, ironing, doing laundry, and marketing. Ma'am and sir, please choose me as your housemate because I am trustworthy, honest, obedient, and responsible. Thank you, ma'am and sir.